everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and today is the Fall Irish Festival, and it is packed down here. I'm in front of actually the firehouse. I want to share with you the way they did the whole street and the Jitneys, which is actually really convenient, something for you to know for next year. And so right now, I'm going to give you guys a tour of the entire layout. We were here just maybe, 3 days ago on Thursday, and it is packed across the entire island. We have 3 different festivals going on today, besides the Irish Festival. We've got something going on the Crest, plus the concert tonight, and we have the classic cars on the boardwalk. That video is actually going to go online on Wednesday. So today we're going to go the same exact route that we went on Thursday, so you can see how busy. I mean, I feel like 100 and so people just passed me just standing here. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons at patreon.com. It's because of them that I could do videos like this. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. It is official, everyone. We now have new pins for 2025. We already have the other dozen online, but I want to introduce you guys with these ones right here. The Wildwood W American flag one, which I absolutely love. We also have this as a car decal, and this one right here of Maury's Mariners Pier. You can see the Ferris wheel, the Sea Serpent, Wildwood right behind me, and it's sort of like this view, but on the other side. If you want these, go ahead and click the link in the description below, and pretty soon we'll have our Christmas ornaments. The first thing I want to share with you guys is the Jitney system we have going on here, in which they've got Jitneys for $3 going across most of the Wildwoods. You line up here at the end of the day, and there's many stops across the entire island, and literally goes everywhere. And let's be honest, if you came here, you know that there is no parking. Hi, how are you? There's no parking even in my house all the way down towards 20th. It's barely any parking. So yeah, what they have going on now is in the street, they made this 3-lane road, which is usually a turning arrow in the middle, into one way this way, one way that way, and then here it gets separated. I'm gonna pull over here. This is like Lyft and Jitneys just here alone. So you get in and out. It's actually faster than taking your own car, which is very, very convenient. That being said, let's head straight into the festival. As you can tell, it is happening. You can see how this is laid out, by the way. Looking straight ahead, 2 lanes. This lane becomes nothing because the Jitneys go to the left down that way to make their loop. But man, oh man, today everyone's Irish. Gonna cross over. Hi, how are ya? Man, it is packed here. We're gonna start at 2nd Avenue, and I already got stopped 17 times getting yelled at for not wearing green. I mean, I don't know why I didn't wear green. That was stupid. So maybe I'll have to buy something, or maybe get beads or something. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. But let's go ahead and get started. We've got a lot of cool vendors going down. Someone's even selling kilts, which is awesome. Maybe I should get a pair of kilts. I'm gonna try to do like an unedited for you guys. And then if there's anything you want to see, we can always go back and check it out. We got some herbal teas here. I might get some shish kebab down the other end. Some dog treats. This is good looking down, by the way. It is busy, 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 busy. So there's a whole Irish tent here. Look at this. Oh, look at the beach balls. Do you see this? Oh my God, that is actually really clever. Very clever. Got scrunchies and hats. Bejeweled, that's cool. Yeah, crowns. You're gonna put one of those on? Oh, sorry.
You're welcome. You too.
Pedals for Police. This is a great organization. A lot of green, man. A lot of green going on. Let me back up so you can look down. See all the way down. I'll do a quick little pan for you. And this is the beginning. Just get ready as we head down the other way.
Okay.
We got, someone's got Super Bowl gear here?
Hi
Irish gear. Dude, this is actually a pretty good deal for some shirts and hoodies.
Yeah, you like these?
Remember, we got vendors going all the way down.
That I wasn't worried. I know everybody down.
Woo! It is happening. My God. Every bar is packed. I mean, Keenan's, there's a line to get in. My God, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go through this tent and look on the other side. I have never seen this street so crowded. I don't even know if my entire life. Hi, how are you? It is incredible how crowded it is. I love this. Hi, how are you? And I'm not making this up, guys. It is wall to wall here. If you guys are here, let me know. And the outfits are great. Hi, how are you? We've got, in a second I get over here. We got this thing coming by.
Wildwood guy.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
Like the site, man.
Thank you. We've got, it looks like we got a dancing school up there on stage. And this is just panning around. Wow. I don't even know what to share with you guys. There's just so much happening. Hi, how are you? Sure, yeah. See, it is crazy. Tacos and tequila, JoJo's is it is so packed. It's kind of crazy. Look at JoJo's. Look at JoJo's. Oh my God. And you got Joey Birds. It is incredible how busy it is. The North and area is even busiest too. Oh, it's insane. Oh my God. Hi, how are you? Oh my gosh, guys, this is awesome. It's so awesome to see.
No, it wasn't a
They're
guy.
so busy. Trying to cut through.
And you're what?
It's our friends over at Guppy.
Look, this guy does the Wildwood
Here's DeAngelis. They're busy too, man.
What's that?
There is so much gear. Woo! My gosh, it's unbelievable how busy it is here. I love this. Best part is that you get so much Philadelphia Eagles gear because it's Kelly Green. It works out great.
Go say.
This is a Delco shirt? It's a Delco shirt.
I know, but I got a free kid card.
Trying to wiggle through people.
They could have that. Dana.
Holy Land handmade. That's pretty neat. If you guys want anything, let me know. Got some sweaters here. It's gonna be chilly tonight, so that actually works out.
You got a whole man to see it. He can barely see it.
A lot of really cool stuff to check out. Even over here, man. Oh, this is the entrance into the inlet. Wow, look at this line. Look at this line.
What's weird though is like, even though they scored, the other team now kicks off to them. Honest one we can find.
I swear, I have never seen this street so packed. It is absolutely insane and awesome. Maybe we should do this twice a year, right? I will tell you though, the wind is picking up, which means no drone for today. No drone. But we're finally at the end of the street, though there's still vendors down this way. They're doing some air tattoos over here, airbrushing tattoos. These guys had to take down their tents because of how windy it is on this side. Woo. Get some leather bags, you can smell the leather. More hats, and here's the last one. Last time we actually stood over here. Yeah, hi, how are you? So if you were watching the other video of us viewing this whole walk just from Thursday, this was the end right here. You can see number 89 or 98, it's upside down. But they got food, and I'm hungry, so we got shish kebabs and a few other things. Maybe we'll grab a nice lemonade, a lot of sugar, but hey, I gotta bike home in this, so. But I know you guys are here for the food, and boy does it smell good. Ribeyes here to our left. We've got the original hot spot up here. It smells great. It smells great. And there is a line for food. This one's for the kebab place, going all the way over. We got crab cakes over here. Heading over, we got the steamer pots, which, let me tell you, this is really cool. You fill it up with the stuff you want, you bring it home and steam it. We're gonna head over this way though, because everyone's in line for this, the kebabs. Woo! That looks good enough to eat.
No, just like the piercing up here.
Oh, the top three.
Yeah, that thing.
Man, oh man, they're really, even back there, they're cooking it up. We got our friends at Island Ice Cream over here. Get some of the favorite ice cream that you guys get on the boardwalk. You get it right over here. Get the pierogi place. Get yourself some pierogies. And make our way down. You got $5. You call it. Burgers. They got water ice there too. Once again, the hot spot. Hey guys, how are you? How you guys doing today? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Hopefully you guys are having a great day today.
You're killing it, man, on YouTube.
We got some ribeye. I'll show you, they got that stuff going on. Look at this, man.
Steak bite?
Oh my God. That is a monster and a half. Get some steak bites. Woo! I like the good karma jar. Right? That's clever. Now you can probably tell during the whole video, I'm smiling the whole time because I love seeing the island pack this. Hi, how are you? I love seeing the island pack like this because it means beautiful memories are being made here. So I'll make my way back to my bike. Hi, how are you? Hi. I love the island being packed. And yeah, this is great. So we're gonna make our way back up real quick. I was gonna go upstairs to get videos, but the line to get up is like, it's kind of crazy. But we're gonna head out this way, back onto the street. Joey! Hi, how are you? It is unbelievable. Hey guys, how are you? Wild in the Smith, we are now making our way down. It is crazy how busy it is. We're coming up to the intersection again. We're gonna get it a little bit higher up for you.
Hey, there he is.
Hi, how are
There's your boy. Joe.
you? It is just so packed. We got a band up now. Hi, how are you? Oh man, it is honestly, it's so great to see everyone. It's like the last official major weekend, even though keep in mind, we've got so many events coming up in the fall into the winter. I just love seeing the island this busy. On a side note, I am going to get myself a cold brew iced coffee in a second. It's going to be needed. But here's your quick little pan for you guys. My goodness. Hey guys, how are you? Man, oh man. Man, Bob Kelly's got the crew going like crazy over there. It's hopping. It is hopping. Oh, we're almost back at the beginning, folks. Almost back. Oh. It is busy. It is busy, 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 busy. Got some cool shirts here and glasses. And got art. You can find your last name. Find your name, I guess. So, any name. We're getting back over towards the Jitneys. Oh, and we're back at the beginning. Well, folks, that was the North Wildwood Fall Irish Fest. And here's the deal. It's only like 4:30, and so you can say hi. It's only 4:30, and the amount of people getting off the Jitneys means this place is going to be rocking even more. I can guarantee it. It is just jam-packed and so much fun. But I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I thank you again to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them we can do funny videos like this on a Saturday. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Oh, it's so much quieter over here. As always, guys, I will see you on the beach, which is right over here. And yeah, I kind of need to get a little beach time in. Sun, come out, will you? I didn't get enough tan today. That's what I'm trying to say here. Anyway, I'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye.
Always a winner and always a prize. That's right, guys. Who's up? Who's next? Who's ready? We've got a winner every game. We've got a prize every single time. Always a winner and always a prize. That's right, guys. Who's up? Who's next? Who's ready to play? Who's going to be our next?